お腹すいたな。
焼きそば作る。やばい、ソースついてない。じゃあ自分でソースも作る。
Make the sauce. Red miso, oyster sauce, Japanese Worcester sauce, sugar, white pepper, garlic powder. Mix it up. Soak the noodles. 2 minutes. Separate those noodles. Vegetable time. Support your local farm. Cut up those carrots. Now cut up that cabbage. Cooking time. Heat up some oil. When it's hot, add in those carrots. 1 minute. Then add in that cabbage. Black pepper. Stir it up.
ポイント。焼きすぎるとしなしなになるから2分ぐらいで十分です。
Thinly sliced pork. Black pepper. Don't cook it all the way yet. Pre-prepared noodles.
Point. 豚肉を焼きすぎないように麺の上に乗せます。
Cook until the noodles go brown. Cooked veg. Yakisoba sauce. Japanese mayonnaise. Benishouga, pickled ginger.
いただきます。ちょっと塩焼きそばっぽいソース焼きそばです。でも美味しい。It's salty but not too salty. It has that nice earthy umami taste, but it's not exactly the sauciest yakisoba ever. So if you want more sauce, then just make more. But that's it from me today. So I'll see you next Sunday.